and today we got 2 boxes, so that means double unboxing in this video. Like I said before, one is from, well, if you follow me on Instagram, I did post about it, but one is from GOAT and one is from GOAT+Grailed. I definitely cannot wait to check these out. I did say the GOAT one is an Adidas, but I didn't tell y'all which model it is, or like what kind of Adidas it is. And then this one is a Nike Dunk High, but I'm not gonna tell you which high it is. So we better go ahead and get straight into it. I've been waiting for these. I was so glad both of these came in at the same time today, so I'm glad. We better go ahead and get into the this one, the GOAT one. So this one, this Adidas one, I actually been wanting a pair of these Adidas for quite a while, honestly. Just because, like, man, honestly, people don't really like this model, which is kind of funny, but it is what it is. But which I can't even open this damn night. But we better go ahead and just get straight into it. So I picked this up because I actually really messed with this shoe. Luckily, I was able to get it for way under retail because, again, people aren't really messing with this shoe, which, you know, it is what it is. And I got it for a really good price. I'm going to tell you the price of it once I get this box open and stuff. So, I don't slice the box open. I'm going to go ahead and put that down. And, the box is a bit beat up. And if the lighting is bad, you know, it is what it is. Like I said, I just got home from work, so it is what it is. So that's here it is, an all blue Adidas box. This shit looks kind of damaged, I ain't gonna lie, but it is what it is. It's a box, a blue Adidas box. Adidas need to come up with better boxes, but it is what it is, and it's still yellow, but it is what it is. So of course, we'll go ahead and open this up. And before I show y'all the shoe, GOAT actually comes with like a new verification codes. The one I got before, it is a white one. Now they got a black one, which is pretty dope if I have to say so myself. And then of course the GOAT sticker. I'm going to take those out. And of course the shoe that I got is the Adidas night joggers. So there's the boy got some night joggers. I think these are pretty dope in my personal opinion, and these do look pretty dope. Size 12, these are brand new. I got them brand new, and the price I paid for, they're going for like $52 on GOAT. And then, you know, with shipping and everything coming to like $68, so under $70, which is a really good price for these. This is really dope, and I want to say I tried these on before, but I'm not sure. But these look pretty dope. They're pretty fire, if I have to say so myself. Yeah, there we go. I can take that out. But yes, the Adidas night joggers. Of course, I'm gonna put like kind of like some size for like insoles. Well, not like insole, but you know, something in here to like, you know, keep like the shoe going up. But this is a pretty dope shoe. I'm going to show you the other shoe as well. Like I said, these are Diaz brand new. I don't think tried one, but I'm not sure. But these are pretty dope. These are pretty fire. Black and white boost on the bottom and everything. It has some really dope materials on these, so I definitely can't wait to do a review on these. I'm probably gonna do a review on these tomorrow since I have the day off. But you know, this next shoe I'm definitely gonna be doing a review of on Monday because I do have that on. Yeah, this is a dope shoe. So Adidas night joggers. But to go ahead and put those down. Now let's go ahead and get into the next box right here. So as you guys know, dunks have been going for quite a lot of money, and only reason I bought this is because I found it for a really great steal on GOAT+Grailed, and I always wanted to try dunks just to see what the hype is about them. So better go ahead. He actually put a duct tape on these, so yeah, actually let me just do that. Just go ahead and open these up. The box does have to put a dress in here, so I'm not going to show it. We flip these open. Yeah, I gotta clean these up. The boy got some Nike Dunk High North. I believe that's what the name of these are called. They're called Nike Dunk High Norths. At first, I didn't know the actual name of these. Oh yeah, I definitely gotta clean these, but yeah, I didn't know what they were called at first, but I just, like I said, I like the colorway. And the funny thing is, I was gonna call it a different name because, as I can see, it does have that flint gray. But these are pretty dope, if I have to say so myself. Yeah, these are pretty dope. They're pretty fire. Of course, on the bottom, y'all probably can't see because it's so yellow. But it does. The stars are pretty bomb. But it is what it is. It is a shoe. At the end of the day, they're meant to be worn. But these are pretty dope. They're in almost pretty decent condition. It was probably like a Nike chip or a Nike logo one or something. But these are pretty dope looking dunks, if I have to say so myself. I definitely can't wait to try these on to see how they feel. They kind of do look a bit small, but I think like maybe if I like stretch them out a bit, it'll probably look a bit better. They kind of do look small, I'm not gonna lie. But we'll see how the shoe looks. But these are pretty dope. My very first dunk highs, and they're pretty dope. Again, it's not a dunk high that everybody has, but it's pretty dope, if I have to say so myself. So again, I got myself some Nike dunk highs and some Adidas night joggers, as y'all can see. Pretty dope, if I have to say so myself. And I paid some really good money for these. I got these for the low, like I said, $68 for these, and $94 for these. And funny thing is, this seller actually lives in the same state as mine, so I was able to get these in hand pretty fast. So either way, that's gonna be it for this unboxing vid. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and share the video. Watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram so I can update. I'm gonna live stream puff videos and stuff like that. And let me know if you guys are fucking with both of these shoes. Like I said, I know people are fucking with dunks, but I don't know if they're fucking with, this color right here. Like I said, the tongue is that flint gray color, so that's why I bought it, because it's unique, and I know not a lot of people have it. And it looks pretty dope. And then of course it's a fucking with the night jacket, which I definitely do think y'all should fuck with them. They look pretty dope, if I say so myself. So definitely stay tuned for those reviews. Like I said, this one I ain't gonna be doing a review on, and then these I'm gonna be doing a review on Monday, because yeah, I definitely gotta clean these up, because like I gotta clean the bottoms, the midsoles, even the shoestrings are a bit dirty as so yeah, I definitely can't wait to get these all cleaned up. Make them look at the very least new, but not brand new, but at the very least new. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and peace.